Check the pressure on line 4. It's running high.
Noted. I'll log the variance now.
Keep an eye on the flow rate up there. And check the pressure reading on this gauge here.
Heavy oil fractions separate the base of engine oil.
The first fully blended engine oil batch is complete.
Engine oil enters tall conditioning towers, where controlled turbulence refines texture in how engine oil is produced.
The oil exits the chamber glossy and uniform in how engine oil is produced.
engine oil flows into stabilization tunnels where temperature equalizes in Y. How engine oil is produced.
Engine oil enters degassing chambers, where trapped air bubbles rise and disappear in how engine oil is produced.
The oil's surface tension appears uniform and calm in how engine oil is produced. The engine oil flows into these intermediate holding tanks, allowing for complete stabilization before the next phase.
Here, in the blending chamber, the oil receives its unique signature through the precise injection of performance additives. Engine oil enters high-speed homogenization chambers, where structure tightens in. How engine oil is produced.
Deep within the blending mechanism, internal rotors spin at high velocity, creating a powerful vortex.
The oil's flow appears perfectly laminar in how engine oil is produced.
Engine oil enters shaping manifolds, where flow paths converge.
Here we see the engine oil emerging, a steady stream of pure, golden liquid ready for refinement.
Engine oil enters final homogenizers, ensuring absolute uniformity in how engine oil is produced.
As the oil exits, it is perfectly blended and consistent. This is how engine oil is produced.
Engine oil flows through cooling plates to lock in structure in how engine oil is produced.
Here we see the engine oil exiting the blending loops, now perfectly clear and free of impurities.
Once filled and sealed, the bottles are rapidly moved down the line by the high-speed conveyor system towards packaging. Once produced, the engine oil is systematically organized in our distribution facility, ready for shipment.
Once produced, the engine oil is loaded onto these tanker trucks for shipment, a process requiring expert precision at the loading dock.
To access the fresh oil, simply twist the cap firmly until you hear the security ring snap. The production process ensures a smooth, viscous, golden fluid, ready to protect the intricate components of your engine. Properly lubricated, the engine turns over smoothly, ensuring longevity and optimal performance.
In our state-of-the-art facility, we ensure every bottle is pristine, showcasing the quality of the engine oil inside. standards. Inside the running engine, the oil is pumped through the system, reducing friction and heat. This ensures the smooth operation.